Blake Wallenda. Today we're going to test out just how strong these Husky locking pliers are. We've gotten a little creative with the high wire behind me. We're using these Husky locking pliers to hold either end of the rig. Once I get on there, the jaws will be holding over 1,000 pounds of force. To push the weight a little further, I'm going to carry 2 Husky sledgehammers while I walk across the wire. So there you have it. The jaws of the Husky locking pliers can hold the weight of a flying Wallenda and more. Pretty impressive.